Ever wish you could watch Netflix with your friends, but you don't know how? Maybe you want to laugh together during a funny show, but you're miles away. Or perhaps you just want to share that exciting movie moment. Don't worry, there's a simple way to do this, and I'm here to help you. So first, you're going to try Netflix Party. So it's now called Teleparty. So it's a free tool that lets you watch together in perfect sync. Second, you can use Kast with a K, a platform where you can invite friends and watch together, no matter where you are. Third, you could try Scener, Scener. It's a service that lets you host a virtual movie night with a live chat. Fourth, Netflix built-in group watch. That feature is another easy way to start watching with friends. And lastly, consider using Watch Together. Watch, the number 2, together. Create a room for live streaming with your loved ones. So don't wait, go ahead, invite your friends, and enjoy your Netflix watch party today. And if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.